Introducing the 2008 Cadillac CTS. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 100,000-mile mark. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated door mirrors, and power windows. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.